Well, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. We're back here at the Vevor lathe and put the new tailstock on. Off camera, I drilled a 1/4-inch hole. No unexpected problems or anything to that effect. We're going to come here with a 5/8 inch bit and come through. The lathe is on the slowest speed setting. Excuse me. Yeah, it was a little chunky in the beginning there, but seemed to cut once we got the center in there and all that good stuff, and it seemed to work okay. So we can drill now on the Vevor lathe. Thanks for watching.